and how you can edit, and this will be very helpful. Don't skip any part of it, and please do remember to like the video and if you like it, the information, right? So let's start it, right? So I will start with the top 10 college. So this is the same way I have prepared for the previous year. So this is 2021 PGCET MBA cutoff, and the top 20 top 10 college remains the same as per the same last year. But now PES University cutoff is under 250. Last year it was above 300. That's the reason many of the students are not able to get it, right? The RV Institute of Management, which was last year third in the cutoff, now it has become second in the cutoff. So RVIM is now second, MSRIT is now third, and under 500 you are getting first four colleges, which is PES, RV, MS, PMS. So accordingly edit your option entry. And I have made the review of each of these colleges which are mentioned here. Every college except PES University, which data is not much, data is not available. Every institute's MBA review with placement, with cutoff, everything I have done. So request you to go to individual videos to check it, right? The sixth number is fifth number remains same, Dayanand Sagar College. Sixth number is 700 cutoff is MS Ramaya. Eighth number is Bangalore Institute of Technology, 877 for MBA, and the ninth is so MS Ramaya University of Applied Sciences, which were last time 10th rank, now it has become 9th rank, and same RNSIT, which was 9th rank, has become 10. So up to 1500 cutoff. If your cutoff is 1500, these are the college options which were closed under 1500, and these are the things which you can look upon, right? So this is the first sheet. So I have covered here top 10 colleges, right? So let's move. I will cover 100 colleges. Let's move to the second sheet. So these are the top 20th from starting from the 11th rank, right? So Dayanand Sagar University has become the 11th rank in terms of cutoff. It with 1668. Dayanand Sagar ATM, DS ATM has become 12th rank, 1700. New Horizon College of Engineering, the ENT course, 1900, and so under 2000 ranks, students can get 10 plus 3 here, 13 colleges under 2000 ranks, right? Now let's move, and if you are then in Mysore, right, is the JSS Science and Technology University, and in Bangalore it's called Christ Academy of Institute of Advanced Studies, and it is based out of Begur in South Bangalore, right? So this is the 15th college. 16th is JSS Science and Technology University, the main MBA course, 2434. The corporate finance was 2261. So those are two different branches. So you see two listings of JSS Science and Technology University. Mount Carmel is a new entry because from this year itself they have introduced the MBA course now. So you see in the first year itself it has closed very high, 2644. That's the reason it has got, if you see its ranking is around 17th, right? Christu Jayanti this year has closed quite up above the last year's cutoff, so it has improved and its ranking is 18th. Cutoff is 2608. And KLE Technology University BBB seat, which is in Hubli, so that is 2645, and so under close to 3000 you are getting top 20 colleges. So anybody who has got rank up to 3000, he can get up to this top 20 colleges. And MMNITI, most of the colleges review also I have made in this sheet, except that KLE Technology University I have made NMAM, Christu Jayanti, and JSS and Science and Technology, New Horizon, DSATM, every review I have done, right? So you can check into my videos. Now moving further, yeah, it is so 2800 still continues, and you see Acharya Institute of Management 2815, KLE Society IMSR, this college review also I have made, and it is in Hubli 2887. And then the Reva University. So this Reva University's cutoff has also improved, compared to last year. It is closing now at 3000. BNMIT 3100, JSS AT, and 3151, and New Horizon second course, which is MNT course. Both the courses are good, and you can take any one of them because based on your cutoff, there's not much difference, right? And then University of Mysore 3400, and KLS Gokte 3700 in Belgaum. And then JSS Science and Technologies, this is the third entry. This is digital marketing course, which is low, right? This is around 4000. So for somebody who has got the rank up to 4000 ranks, right, this is the place where he can get all his option entries. So I have arranged it in ascending order, so you will not face any problem. And Go and check the videos of each of these. JSS I have reviewed, JSS ATE I have reviewed, Rewa University I have reviewed, IMSR in Hubli I have reviewed, NMM Nitte and Acharya Institute, all the institutes I have reviewed. So this is where you can take this. So this is the top 30 colleges. If you move further, then this is the second entry of Acharya Bangalore B School. It is actually it is also very good, like Acharya Institute of Management Sciences. Its cutoff is for two courses, MBA Analytics 3873 and MBA overall is 4262. So this is again, and the another college is for Acharya Institute of Technology, which is engineering college. Their also cutoff is very close. So all the three Acharya colleges are very good. You can take this based on your rank. It's just a very small difference between all these colleges, right? Now the Jyoti Nivas College of Engineering, it has improved its overall cutoff from previous compared to last year, where it was around 6,000. Same NMIT has also improved the cutoff from last year. So all of these colleges have improved the cutoff, and that's the reason most of you have not got good seats, right? And but you will get in the first round, and thus if you're not satisfied, you should go basically for the second round also. So if you see 4,500 and you are getting NMIT. NMIT also I have reviewed this college, and you can find the video. The next option is Canara Bank School of Management, which is University of Bangalore University course, right? And their cutoff is 4,500. Siddhganga very close to it, and it's a good engineering college, so 4,600 a year for MBA. Dr. Ambedkar Institute of Technology, this is Bangalore again, and 4,600. And this is the fourth college you see, Acharya Institute of Graduate Studies. So it is also a same as Acharya Group, fourth college, right? So this is, it has a cutoff close to 4,800, right? So, and then ninth is Government RC College. This is a government college in Bangalore, 4864. RC means Chelaram College, and then 50th 40th rank you can see Presidency College. So this is also a very good option for students, and it is a NAC A+ institute. I have reviewed this college also. You can check on my channel, right? So I have reviewed NMIT, Acharya Institute, ABBS, Presidency, and many of the colleges. You can check and decide, but cut off. So if you are under 5,000 ranking, this is the top 40 colleges you can get, and you should take this, right? So, and edit the option entry accordingly, right? Now I'll move to the next, right? So it is still 4,900. So this is the top 50 college. So you have Sahyadri College of Engineering and Management, which is called SEM, and it's a very good engineering college as well as MBA college, and their total number of placements were 650 plus, right, for engineering and management put together. So that is very good option. VVC is nothing but Vidyavardhaka College of Engineering. It's also very good engineering college in Mysore. So 5,000 is the cutoff. Global Academy of Technology, GAT, is an engineering college in Bangalore, and it is a autonomous engineering college, so quite a decent one, and 5,000 is the cutoff. CMRIT is a popular engineering college in Bangalore, in the top 200 NIRF ranking, and I have made engineering KCT and the Comet K videos. You can check the placement of those, and 5,300 is a cutoff. GIMS, which is a Global Institute of Management Studies. So this is also based out of Bangalore, 5,400. And then you have so these are the college up to 6,000, so around 45 colleges. Then SDM College of Engineering, which is in Hubli, 6,200. CMR Center of Business Studies in Bangalore, which is 6,500, and Seshadripuram Institute of Management also in Bangalore, 6,600. I have made a video for this also. SJP College of Management is 6,700, and Cambridge Institute of Technology 7,000. So these are the top 50 MBA colleges through PGCET, right? So top 50th rank college is Cambridge Institute of Technology, and it is got the cutoff of 7,000. So if we see previous last year to this year, 7,500, at 7,500 top 50 colleges were there previous year, but now in this year it has gone to 7,000. That means cutoff has gone very high. That's the reason a lot of you have not got some seats this year, right? So up to 7,000 rank you have top 50 colleges. I'll cover up to 15,000 rank cutoff rank, right? So let's move to the next sheet. So this is the top 60 colleges, right? So 10 more added to the previous list. So here you will see in Bangalore, Community Institute of Management, Bangalore, 7,200 around the cutoff, and I have made a video review for this. You can check the college. JNNC Yoshimoga is a very good engineering college, and I have made a review for engineering. You can check the college infrastructure, and their MBA placements are also decent. Bangalore Institute of Management, then Bangalore University 7,200. This was same as similar as last year. So last year Bangalore University was at 50th rank. Now it is at 54th rank, right? So it is very close to that ranking. SJB Institute of Technology, right? 7,300 Engineering College. PES Mandya, very good engineering college, 7,300. St. Joseph Mangalore is also a very good engineering college, 7,600. Kasauli in Dharwad, 8,000. And and PESIT, which is also engineering college, 8,000. And Alliance University in Bangalore is 8,123, right? So these are the top 60 engineering colleges, and Alliance University was also a very good placement, and it is NRF ranked 39th college. So I have also reviewed the NRF Alliance University in this sheet, St. Joseph, PES Mandya, all of those videos you can see on my channel, right, including Community Institute of Management, right? Next, move to the next beyond 8,000. So we continue with that, and the top 7 within that category, there is ISBR in Bangalore, right? And I also they reviewed this college also. You can go and check on my channel. Its a cutoff is 8,224. Okay, so you can check this college. It is called a decent placement. MVIT, it's an engineering college again. CMR University is 8,300. And there is a Vidya Vikas in Bangalore, 8,400. MVJ College of Engineering is a autonomous college of engineering in Bangalore. That's also decent, 8,500. And now you have few options out of Bangalore, right? If you see in this sheet, Maharani Arts of College, Arts and Commerce, Mysore, MS Sheshagiri, Belgaum, Global Business School, Hubli, and St. Aloysius. So up to that, you can see it will go up to 9,650. So we are approaching very close to 10,000 rank. So within the 10,000 rank, you are getting top 70 colleges through PGCET. And last one you see is the Bangalore entry, which is the Don Bosco Institute of Technology. So there are 2 courses. So I have kept this in this sheet because one of the course cutoff is 11,000, and so average will be around 10,000, right? So 8,829, and so accordingly you can check the course and then apply that, right? So these are the top 70 colleges I have covered. I have got some more colleges for you so that you have a good number of options available. Hope you are able to follow this, right? Let's move to the next college. Presidency Universities. A lot of students have asked me about this, and Presidency cutoff is around 9,400. Maharani Cluster University, right? This is based out of Bangalore, and 9,800. So under 10,000, you are getting around 72 colleges, 70 in the previous sheet and 2 in this college, so 72. And after 10,000 rank, you can get VTU, Vishweshwara Technology University MBA College, which is in Mysore, right? So that is 10,247. And then you have Ambedkar. This is Ambedkar Institute of Management, different from Ambedkar Institute of Technology, which is an engineering college. This is the MBA college of the same group. Similarly, SDM's College of Business Management is different from SDM College of Engineering, which is in Hubli. This is in Mangalore, so 11,500. SJC Institute of Technology is in Chikkaballapur, very close to Bangalore, and this is also decent engineering college. GSSS Mysore is the women's only college. So if you are a girl and your ranking is around 11,000, this also has a very good decent engineering placement, right? And also MBA is also quite well, right? So engineering placement last year, the cutoff for this highest salary for GSSS for girls college was 19 lakhs, right? And that was for the electronic student, but MBA college is also decent. You can consider it this rank. Surana College of College in Bangalore, in Kangeri, I think, yeah. And this is also a very good decent college. I have reviewed this college also. You can check the video of the college. MP Birla in Bangalore, 11,200, 700, and Oxford. So in this sheet, up to top 80 college, you are basically getting colleges for the rank of 12,000, and these are the general merit, general merit cutoffs for GM cutoff, right? For all the colleges. And based on this, for if you are not following into general merit category, then based on this you can consider how much you can get is around 2,000 to 3,000 difference will be there, at least with this cutoff and the other categories, right? And ST category, it will be 5 to 6,000 difference will be there. So approximate you can find that, or if you want your own category PDFs, you can ask me. I can share this with you, because it will become, otherwise the video will become very big, and I'm just considering right now for the GM category. So now we have covered close to 80 colleges and 12,000 rank, right? We'll move further. Now, if your rank is beyond 12,000, then these are the options here. So you have Nagarjuna Degree College, and where is 12,000. Geetam University, which is also engineering college, a complete university with engineering college. Their cutoff is 12,000. BIET, I have reviewed on my channel Bapuji in Davangere, and it has a cutoff of 12,000. Maharaja Institute Technology Engineering College 12,200. Ballari I have also reviewed on my channel 12,942. Others AIMT in Bangalore. This also I have reviewed a college review. You can find on my channel 13,130. EWIT and is also good, and it is 13,300. MBA placements will be average for these all colleges mostly, because of the fact that you are not in these are not the top 40 or 50 colleges. These are beyond that top 90 college, so placement will be assumed 30 to 40%. And with that mind frame, if you want to do MBA, then these are the good colleges, and that's the cutoffs. Tumkur University, right, 13,800. And Brindavan College of Engineering again in Bangalore, close to 14,000, and AMC also in Bangalore, 14,400. So these are top 90 colleges I have covered. Now we see that we are already close to 14,500, right? And so I have reviewed only colleges up to 15,000. Beyond 15,000 I have not, right? So these are the beyond 90 ranks, 90,000. So basically 94 colleges I found which were under 100, right? That's the reason I have reviewed those colleges only which are 100, which are under 15,000, sorry, 15,000 ranks. So these are the colleges only 15,000 rank. Other colleges are beyond this rank and I have not considered. So there are total 90 plus 494 colleges, and this is the top 100 list. So you find the 4 college, and those are Atria in Bangalore, East West College of Management in Bangalore, Oxford College, and then the Raja Rajeshwari, right? So this is around what I have wanted to cover, so that you have a complete idea and you can edit your option entry now in a very good way, right?